Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the North Face VECTIV Future Lights. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. So today we've got a look at the North Face VECTIV Escape Future Light, and we got this in the North Face black colorway. We got these in a UK size 8, it's a European size 42, and it's a US men's size 9. And let's look. So essentially, these are, here they are. These are the hiker's running sneaker. That makes any sense. The way that it's portrayed, you look at it, it looks like your typical knit running sneaker you can find anywhere, but this is North Face's one. So this is built for extreme weathers in mind and just being all conditions. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole with that surface control branding here. You can find it at the little top there, but you can see it with the way that the traction padding is. It's there for the aggressive, it's there to keep yourself in place and not slip. Looking at the midsole, so you got this rocker shape, and it incorporates the North Face's VECTIV, and that's a 3D shank plate that's found on the midsole. It's there to help you propel yourself even forward and with ease. So that's why, if you look at the way the midsole is shaped with this file-on, I must add, the shank plate there as well is to help you lift your feet off. Moving along onto the uppers, so we've got a range of materials, but the main USP, the main unique selling point of this is the Future Light mesh that you can see there. Not only is it breathable, lightweight, but it is waterproof. That's the main aspect, that's the main selling point, because you are meant to use these in extreme terrains, very harsh weathers as well, and it's there to be waterproof, to keep your feet nice and warm and dry. So you can see it there with the mesh paddings here in this flax colorway. It's very light brown. TPU here with the heat plastics. You can find it on the toe box area. Looking at the tongue, so again you got more of the plastics that are heated on. The North Face logos at the top. Flat lacing, very easy lace system as well. You can see there. Looking at the medial side, so you got the Future Light logo there. More plastics that cover the ankle support, very nicely padded, I must add. You can see it here in this dark purple. The insole, it is all light. You got the North Face logo that's inside as well. Looking towards the back, you got the North Face logo too. Very lightweight. This was designed for running at the end of the day, and also it's not raining at the minute. The way that this is presented is according to North Face. Here, I'll read this out. It's athlete tested, expedition proven, waterproof membrane, which is the Future Light upper, supreme air breathability, and it's made out of sustainable materials as well. So what more do you want in your trekking hiker sneakers? So with all that said, with all the technology that's jam-packed in these sneakers, I can't wait to try these on. So roll that footage of me trying these on. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your half a size to what you usually wear. I've got a bit of space around the toes, but that's just me. It's rather comfortable, but I'm a bit worried. I feel like it's really unstable. I feel like I'm going to lose my balance because of the way that this is shaped in that rocker fashion. I do feel like I'm going to go propel myself forward even more because of this, but I feel like there's lumps just underneath my feet, and it's giving me this feeling of unbalancedness. Maybe it was designed for running, but I feel like I am going to fall over, guys. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.